If you need to remove the background from any image, the fastest way I know of doing it is through a website called Depix, depix.ai. You do have to sign up for the site, and right now you only get to do 5 adjustments or crops per week. I don't know if that'll change, what else will happen with this site, but currently to remove the background or to keep what you want, do a left click on the part that you want to retain. It gives you a green dot, and do a right click on what you want to eliminate. So right click that, and I don't want the background back here. So if you right click, it's red and it means delete. That's why there's a minus sign. If you do a left click, it's green with a plus sign, means it's going to keep it. Once you've decided what you want to keep, I guess I also want to get rid of this one. And once you've made your decisions, the next thing to do is download the end product. This is all that's necessary, and I'll show you in a moment what the end result is. So I'll download this. You can give it a name, or you can just, for now, just leave the default name that it assigns. As I said, you only get to do 5 per week. For me, this is picture number 4, so I'm almost out of things to try this week. I'll save this. Now that it's downloaded, let me open this and show you what it looks like. And as you can see, this is the end result of what it did with just a couple of clicks. That's the finished product. The whole background is gone, and all I needed to do was a couple of clicks and the whole thing's finished. Nice and easy way to clean up an image. Give it a try. You might enjoy it.